the Avengers. He took on Thor, Loki. He had a fight with, a little bit of a fight with Loki and Thor.
Yeah.
And hung in there.
Oh, absolutely.
He's not a god. He fought with Captain America, held his own.
He didn't take on the Hulk.
No one does. Loki got his ass kicked by Hulk. He was, I'm a god, and then Hulk picks him up and smashes his But I'm being Sarah Huckabee Sanders again now. Mr. Trump is the white Black Panther. And Mr. Trump's suit is more powerful than Black Panther's. And Mr. Trump, when he puts on the